Hey guys, so today we're going to cover our trailing stop limit, trailing stop market order. In this particular trade, I'm liking this SPY call currently. And this is on demand. It's a back testing feature, so no tricks here. This is the contract price right here that we are choosing to enter in at 377. The reason why I like this trade is we have an RSI oversold, and I'm looking back in the future, in the past, to see how the price react to our option being our price being oversold. So we had that large gap up, move up, and that was because of that RSI oversold indication. So we'll say we got in here at 377. So if we go here to our calculator, 3.77 times 0.3, 1.13.7 minus the 30% stop loss. So our stop loss would be set at 256. So we'll go ahead and draw it out here. Okay. So the difference is, was the wrong one. The difference is between a trailing stop limit and a trailing stop market order, which I believe on the mobile app you are unable to actually set your trailing stop limit order. It's only trailing stop market. And one thing you want to be really careful is with that one, you don't want to set your trailing stop market on a very unliquid stock. So if you don't have a lot of option volume or stock volume, really stocks don't matter selling at market trading unless they're sub penny stocks or very volatile high beta stocks you got to watch out for. So anyways so also one thing to make sure is that the bid and the ask spread is very tight. One thing that I ran into when I did a stop market order on a swing trade that I selected, I hit my stop loss at 30%. Let's say like right here, 30%, so around 170, 176, somewhere around there. Hit my stop loss, and it actually sold at market. So when it sold at market, we had a buyer down here at $1, and he actually got in at $1. And it wasn't on SPY in general. It was on a low option volume contract. So that's one thing to really look out for. So we'll go ahead and speed this up. We'll go average, I don't know, we'll go to like two days. And we'll look at this chart right here. So if you see this trailing stop loss today, as the price rises, our trailing stop loss line actually rises with it. So if it goes up 30%, it's going to be now, once it was up here, it's going to now be at our trailing stop limit right here. Our stop loss is now set here once we reach this point, or plus 30%. So 0 to 30%, and then now if it drops down here, now we're even. If it breaks this line, we didn't lose anything. We are at our break-even price right here on that contract, theoretically speaking. Okay, so we'll go ahead and move up here now, where trailing stop loss is now at 30%. And it auto calculates this all for you when you go in and set the stop loss order. And we'll go into that. But we'll fast forward 2 more days. Okay, so as you see, it's just making higher highs, higher lows, going up. So our trailing stop loss order would have been right here at 7.4 at this open mark, and then up to here, 30 more percent up. So we've captured 60, 90, 120, 120%, 120, well, actually, where are we at here? Yeah, about 120%. So if it were to break, we would have locked in that 90% profit. Okay, does that make sense? Okay. So we'll keep going up. Go to Monday. Oh, my bad. Okay, so it actually expired. Our expiration date was in there, but we expired. Usually you want to sell it pretty close to expiration. I would say around 4 days to expiration, but mainly just keep an eye on the price. Okay, so we went from entering, where did we enter? We entered here, 384 with the trailing stop limit set to here, and we were swinging that, or trailing stop market, we were trailing that all the way up here to 10, 12, so we locked in profit there. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll switch over to our real account. Okay. So let's say, like, this is a good example, our B-bar call right here. So we'll go ahead and move this to number 2. So you can see this is really, this is one of our diamond alerts. So we don't even run this with a stop loss, to be honest, because it's a high risk trade. So you're risking what was it, $11 for potential 300, but we don't run any sort of stop loss on this order. We just let it ride. But we'll go ahead and let's say Tesla call, and we want to buy a Tesla call right here with a 30% stop loss. Okay, so we'll go to trade. And we want to check our parameters, so we want to make sure it's a tight bid-ask spread. And we'll just go to a closer, we'll go to December 4th, and we don't want to get too far out. Yeah, see, 455 to 620, that's not generally. We'll go here to this one. So the December 4th 600 call, and we have high open interest and high volume. So a lot of people are holding this one. Generally, I don't know if I would pick that one, but it's kind of out of the money. But anyways, go ahead, jump over to Tesla. Okay, so that is the daily. Let's go here. Alright. So if we want to enter in this trade with the trailing stop loss, we want to first, we'll go to purchase, buy the contract, and I'll make sure it doesn't actually fill, so I'm just going to set 1. And you will go to your order type right here. You'll select, now this is the market trail stop, and this is the trail stop limit. So if you're day trading, go ahead and click this trail stop limit. So from this mark, our $5 mark on the contract, we want it to, or our entry, we want it to be, oh, I actually got to buy this one. Let's go to our B bar and just close this one. So when you have it open under your monitor, you'll go right click, close, sell, and you will go to trail stop, and we'll start with the limit one first. Trail stop limit, so at 10, the current price, mid price, and we want our trailing stop to be 30%. So I'm clicking this right here, and I'm going down to 30%. So you'll do that. The thing is, with the limit, you are unable to select good till canceled. So, and that's crucial if you step away from a trade, because the next day you'll have to set in that same trade. Okay, but with the stop, trail stop, this one you can actually set good till canceled, and it's the same parameters to your market, and select your percentage right there. Okay. So hopefully that helped you out a little bit. Feel free to go ahead and join our free Discord right here. And we'll get to talking and learn a little bit more. I'm coming out with more videos, so I will see you.